Babe. No time for course. See this latest abaya with the ring. Wow. So now go ready for this sallah. Babe, you even get different color. I just buy my own yesterday. You buy Hey! Red, I bought black. And guess what? My father bought it for me. Before
I must buy it me too. My father must buy this clothes.
Hey, there's even pink and purple.
Let me see. Babe, wow. My friend.
Nice. See, anyhow,
my father must buy this clothes for me. I swear. How can you buy them?
No, I tell you, no, it is raining.
I don't know.
Hi.
So you make this girl buy this clothes. I swear, my father must buy this clothes for me. Huh? Open door, you get give me nonsense.
Aisha ta wai. Wallahi za a dole tsaya gidan ga. Dun wallahi na san bure jin turanci kuma yaran ga suna da ke ture wurin karatu. Yanzu gashi an taho bari mu mutuwar da za a yi.
Lafiya, ni karamuwa.
Papa, you must buy me a buyer. Give me a buyer, you must buy it for me. If not, this house will not be peace. Give me a buyer.
Yo me a baya kuma.
Papa, give me a buyer or give me a buyer.
Ni ba sa baya ba. Ka tamuwa kai. Ka ci uba ka zo tamuwa ka ci uba.
Give me a buyer.
So ni ce ta tambaya yarinya na ta nuna hauka. Ka ci tuwacin da ka kai min. Ni ke ka ce da yawai.
You must buy me a buyer. You must buy me a buyer. I'm telling you.
Ni ka ce wai.
To ni dai an ka ce give me bani a baya kuma a ba.
Give me a buyer. What? Give me a buyer.
Ka ci
To da wata ba.
I did not mean you put her on her back. I don't mean buyer. I mean kayan sallah. Abaya is kayan sallah. I did not say buyer.
Me ki
Not
ga
buyer. It's kayan sallah. That is abaya. Not buyer.
Oh. Eh, ni da mata ga yi a baya.
Oh, sir.
Ka tamuwa ka kashe ni ya.